Deciphering the Decimal, a journey from fractions to terminating decimals. Hello learners! Today, we're going to unravel a fascinating concept in the world of numbers. We are going to learn how to convert fractions to terminating decimals. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to handle these conversions with confidence and ease. So, let's get started. Before we delve into converting fractions into terminating decimals, let's quickly brush up on our basics. Fractions represent parts of a whole, and they consist of a numerator, the number above the line, and a denominator, the number below the line. On the other hand, decimals represent numbers using a decimal point. To the left of the decimal point, we have the whole number part, and to the right, we have the fractional part. Terminating decimals are an interesting type of decimal. As the name implies, a terminating decimal is a decimal number that has an end, meaning it doesn't go on forever. It stops after a certain number of decimal places. For example, 0.5, 0.75, and 0.2 are all terminating decimals. Now let's get to the exciting part: converting fractions into terminating decimals. This is done by dividing the numerator of the fraction by the denominator. For instance, if we have the fraction 3/4, we divide 3 by 4 to get 0.75, a terminating decimal. Remember, not all fractions will convert into terminating decimals. The key is to look at the denominator of the fraction. If it is made up of factors of 2 and/or 5, it will convert to a terminating decimal. For example, 1/2, 3/5, 7/10, 4/8 are all fractions that can be converted to terminating decimals because the denominator, when broken down, contains only the factors 2 and/or 5. To get a better grip on this, let's work on a couple of practice problems together. 1. Convert 3/8 to a decimal. 2. Convert 7/5 to a decimal. 3. Convert 9/4 to a decimal. Try these problems yourself first and then check with our solutions. And that's a wrap on our journey from fractions to terminating decimals. Now, you can confidently convert fractions to decimals, and you know exactly what a terminating decimal is. Keep practicing, as it is the key to mastering any concept. Remember, mathematics is a language, and like any language, the more you immerse yourself in it, the more fluent you become. Thanks for joining us in this video. Happy learning!